Seeing this blue screen error? Don't panic. In this video, you'll learn how to fix the critical process died error in Windows 10 and 11 step by step. If your desktop still slowed, click on the search box and type reset and choose reset the PC and go to advanced startup. Click Restart Now. This will bring you to recovery options. If you're stuck on the blue screen, force your PC to enter recovery mode, press and hold the power button until it shuts down. Turn it back on, and as soon as you see the Windows logo, hold the power button again to force shutdown. Do this 3 times. On the next restarts, advanced option will appear. Once you're the recovery screen, click Troubleshoot, Advanced option, and then Start Up Repair. Let's Windows try fixing automatically. If Restarts Repair fails, go back and select Command Prompt. Now, type the following commands one by one. Repair boots issues and systems file. 1. Bootrec slash fix mbr. 2. Bootrec fix boot. 3. Bootsec dash NT60 SYS. 4. Bootrec stash rebuild BCD. 5. SFC dash scan now. 6. CHD SKC. Once all commands are done, restart PC. If the issues was the corrupted files or boot, records or system should now load without the blue screen problem solved. If this fix worked for you, hit like, subscribe to Crown Greek for more easy tech tutorials still stock.